Simple furnace maintenance even you can do. Here is a simple guide on furnace maintenance that anyone can do. Simple furnace maintenance. Even you can do. A well-maintained furnace keeps your home warm and energy efficient while preventing costly repairs. Here are a few easy maintenance steps you can handle yourself. 1. Change the air filter. Check your furnace filter every 1 to 3 months. A clogged filter restricts airflow, making your furnace work harder. Replace it with a clean one to improve efficiency and air quality. 2. Keep vents and registers clean. Ensure vents and registers are open and unobstructed. Vacuum dust and debris to prevent blockages. 3. Check the thermostat. Make sure your thermostat is working properly. If needed, replace the batteries or upgrade to a programmable model. 4. Inspect the furnace area. Keep the area around your furnace clear of clutter. Remove any flammable materials nearby. 5. Listen for unusual noises. Rattling, banging, or squealing sounds can indicate issues. If you hear anything unusual, schedule a professional inspection. 6. Test the carbon monoxide detector. Ensure your carbon monoxide detector is working. Replace batteries regularly to stay protected. 7. Check the pilot light for gas furnaces. The flame should be blue. If it's yellow or flickering, there may be a problem. Call a professional if you notice irregularities. Regular maintenance helps extend the life of your furnace, lowers energy bills, and keeps your home safe. For more complex issues, always consult a professional HVAC technician.